You wake up in the morning. You look in the mirror. Your smile does not shine bright. Dull teeth stare back at you. You run your tongue across your teeth. A rough fuzzy feeling meets your taste buds. That, my friend, is dental plaque. The enemy of oral hygiene. The archenemy of a gorgeous grin. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria. Bacteria feed on the food particles in your mouth. They rapidly multiply and form colonies. These bacterial colonies produce acids that attack tooth enamel. This causes cavities and gum disease over time. Fortunately, plaque buildup has a solution. A safe, effective remedy exists to banish dental plaque. No need to spend fortunes on dentists. You can do this at home yourself. Intrigued? Let me explain further. Dental plaque hardens into tartar or calculus. Tartar is a crusty deposit on teeth. Normal brushing cannot remove tartar. Only a dental professional can scrape tartar off during a cleaning appointment. Tartar harbors harmful bacteria near the gum line. It causes gum inflammation and recession over years. Do you want to avoid expensive dental treatments? Do you desire a celebrity bright smile? Keep watching to learn the top home remedy. This natural, cost-effective solution prevents plaque and tartar buildup. Follow my tips to maintain brilliant pearly whites. The primary cause of plaque formation is improper oral hygiene. Plaque develops when food debris remains in the mouth after eating. Brushing and flossing incorrectly allows plaque to accumulate. Plaque produces toxins that irritate gums. This leads to gingivitis or gum disease over months. Hardened plaque becomes tartar below and above the gum line. Tartar makes gums prone to periodontal disease. Removing tartar prevents tooth loss and other complications. The top home remedy to remove plaque is baking soda. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive. It physically scrubs away plaque without damaging enamel. Baking soda also has whitening benefits. Make a baking soda paste for your teeth. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth with the paste. Target areas where plaque accumulates, like between teeth. Rinse thoroughly after 2 minutes of brushing. Do this once or twice per week. Another excellent home remedy is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. It kills bacteria that cause plaque and tartar buildup. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water. Gargle with this solution for 30 seconds before brushing. Spit it out and proceed with your normal brushing routine. The acidity in vinegar disrupts plaque adhesion. Flossing is vital to remove plaque from interdental spaces. Use waxed floss to dislodge stuck food particles. Make sure to floss at least once daily. This simple habit massively reduces plaque accumulation. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice. It involves swishing edible oil in the mouth. Sunflower and sesame oil are suitable options for oil pulling. The mechanical action traps plaque and loosens tartar deposits. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in the mouth. Swish vigorously for 15 minutes. Spit out the oil completely afterward. Rinse with salt water to remove residues. Oil pulling feels awkward initially. Over time it becomes easier. Limit sugary and starchy foods in your diet. Bacteria thrive on sugars and refined carbohydrates. Follow a tooth-friendly diet with whole grains, proteins, dairy, fruits and vegetables. Drink green tea for added benefits. Green tea contains antioxidants that impede bacterial growth. Compounds in green tea dislodge existing plaque. Drink 1 or 2 cups of freshly brewed green tea daily. You can also rinse your mouth with cooled green tea after meals. Are you a smoker? If yes, this tartar removal remedy is crucial for you. Smoking stains teeth and promotes plaque formation. Nicotine impairs oral immunity and makes it harder to fight bacteria. Quit smoking to protect your teeth and gums. Dry mouth or lack of saliva contributes to tartar buildup. Saliva has antimicrobial properties. It neutralizes acids and washes away food debris. Drink plenty of water to prevent dry mouth. Chew sugar-free gum to stimulate saliva. Mom was right. Brush twice daily for 2 minutes minimum. Electric toothbrushes clean more effectively than manual brushing. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months. A worn toothbrush cannot keep plaque under control. Tongue scraping reduces bacteria that cause plaque and bad breath. Use a tongue scraper tool. Scrap from the back of the tongue forward after brushing. The most important advice: visit your dentist every 6 months. Only dental professionals can completely remove hardened tartar. They have special tools to properly clean teeth. Poor brushing allows plaque and tartar to accumulate rapidly. Tartar buildup creates rough surface areas where more plaque attaches. This becomes a repeating cycle that damages tooth enamel and gums. Remember, plaque is the root cause of all dental diseases. Cavities, gum disease, tooth loss stem from uncontrolled plaque buildup. Do not neglect your oral hygiene. Follow the natural remedies I outlined. Use baking soda and apple cider vinegar as a 1-2 punch. Floss carefully to clean interdental regions. Try oil pulling to mechanically remove plaque. Eat a tooth-friendly diet and quit smoking. Stay hydrated to maintain saliva flow. Brush, scrape, rinse diligently every single day. Implementing these tartar removal tips ensures a lifetime of good oral health. You avoid costly dental treatments in the long run. Best of all, you gain a bright, beautiful smile to flaunt confidently. Do you have questions about plaque, tartar, or these home remedies? Leave comments below. I am happy to provide personalized advice. Subscribe to this channel for more bite-sized dental care tips. Let me summarize the key points quickly. 1. Plaque is a bacterial film that hardens into tartar over time. 2. Tartar accumulation causes cavities, bad breath, and gum disease. 3. Home remedies like baking soda, vinegar, and oil pulling control tartar buildup. 4. Maintain excellent oral hygiene habits to prevent plaque formation. 5. Visit your dentist regularly for professional cleanings. You are now armed with the ultimate tartar removal remedy. Say goodbye to dull, discolored teeth. Hello to a radiant Hollywood-level smile. Put these tips into practice starting today. Your teeth and gums will thank you immensely. Keep smiling, keep watching, bye for now.